Oh, the user client tayo. Nag-stay. Swimming beach. Different sites. Pick a spot, man.
Camping! Go! We just got here at Walnut Campground. We're gonna start our camping today until Sunday. It's gonna be fun, and then all of these are gonna be our space. So I think it's gonna be good. Everyone is just like excited and hungry and so forth. But I'll show you guys later more. How are you doing it, my loves? So we got the instant dark rest Ozark tent. Go, my lovesie is just folding them like that.
Can you open up the other tarp?
This one? Ito lang na tarp natin?
Yeah.
What about yung ating sa mga sapatos sa entrance?
Oh, then put it in the front.
Pwede na yun. Basta yung sa ito oh. Hindi pala nakakaroon. Hindi pala nakaipan yun.
So you're good with that location?
Asan yung ano natin? Ito yung center.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so we have this lalagyan ng mga sapatos. We got that from IKEA. And this is inside the tent. Just go in. Okay, so I already put this together para hindi naman magaspang yung sahig. This is very helpful. Then we're gonna take this out. Late na kami nakarating kasi naligaw kami. We got the wrong address. And pretty much this is our first night, because we didn't get here until 8 or almost 8. Our mini heater, because I think it's gonna be rainy this weekend, and just to make sure in case it gets cold. I got my first real six string, bought it at the 5 and dime, played it till my fingers bled, was the summer of '69. Me and some guys from
Water sa loob.
had a band and we tried real hard. Jimmy quit and Jody got married. Got some banana kong yellow.
Yes, Bubu, I'll make you one, okay?
So I got the first dibs. Kasi daw bawi daw ng kapatid ko. She didn't tell me that the address changes, so naligaw kami.
Ngayon lang to, bukas wala na.
Kasi masisira yung banana.
Here.
My sisters, homemade, the banana con yellow. Yummy.
Hang on, let me get some ice. Let me get some ice, please. Out there, can you sit down and wait for your turn?
Good job. Yummy.
One more?
Wow, mabentang business. Daming business. Mga kids eating. See, look at Ninong's doing. Another light. Wow. Oh, I like that Christmas light. Ready na po. Say hi, Mika. Hi. I like the lights. Galing, oh. Tingnan mo. Wow. Wow. Galing, no? Sisig. Gawa na. We're just gonna reheat it here. Sisig ala Ma'am Shikim. Hungry ka na? Luto na ba kanin, kapatid?
Tingnan mo, yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Alam mo na!
Yum.
Bala ka lang, hindi na masarap yan. Luluto ulit ako.
Gusto mo ba?
Oo.
Tama na.
May
Yum.
pa-adobo. Ito.
Nasisig. Oh, bigyan kita.
God, actually wake up. Salamat po. I was like, nobody's getting up. It's raining. Ano to?
Yeah.
Ba to?
This is our breakfast. First morning here in the campsite.
Yes.
With butterflies.
That's right. We have this.
Thank you everyone for preparing. Okay.
Hindi naman ako marunong. Pinapanggit ko lang yung mga...
Good morning! We're camping! Get some food.
May isa.
Ayun na pa, ang kopi ko.
Ako din pa.
Ako. Tatlo kami.
Kakopi ko ka pa? Jana?
We got some sausage here, the spam, some cucumber, tomato, and then pancake with love.
Wow.
So good. Let's try it.
May matamis pa lang tinap.
Yum. Thank you.
Pwede na ito patayin? Huwag mo na bayaan. Baka masunog ilalim.
Adobo. Yum. Pangalawang init. How's your bathroom time, my loves?
It was crazy in that bathroom. I was by myself,
Yeah?
all alone in the bathroom.
Yeah?
Then I heard somebody fart so loud.
This is nice.
Ano ba yung Kante? Alam mo yung malaki.
So, our lunch for today is sinigang. So, we're gonna throw away the first boil of that. Yeah. And then this is our gulay. We got eggplant, yam leaves, kangkong in the Philippines, bok choy, sitaw, and then our onion and tomatoes. There you go. And this is our setup. It just rained, so basa-basa. Good thing we got the canopy set up here. Look at that. And don't think I'm the cook, because I'm not. I'm just the assistant. The cook is somewhere here. My sister Kim. But it's a sinigang, so I don't think it shouldn't be that hard to cook it.
Wow.
So, first boil daw, we have to remove it and throw it out, as my sister said, so para hindi malaksa.
Kung halimbawa lang, may dala kami tent. May tent kayo? Yeah, kahit sa akin.
Dami-daming
Where's Matt? Where's Matt?
There you go. What happened? Oh, sorry.
Naulan eh. Wala na oh.
Binagyo kami sa camping. Sitaw. Sitaw in our sinigang.
Princess.
Yum. Yan, sige lang, sama na yan. Not the water though.
January. Meron ba dyan?
May tao.
Tata na. Yan. So, hatiin mo lang. Yan. Antique yan.
Wow.
Only in the camping. Only the camping. Bukas wala. Pa dito ka maupo. Ito siya doon. Bato mo naman.
Good afternoon. So, we're gonna have some merienda. Banana con yelo and mais con yelo. And later, we're gonna do ihaw. Okay, so, another banana con yelo in a different angle. Look at that.
Luto again?
Order po. Order po isa, Madam Kim. Ito, lumabas na sa lungga, oh.
Tulog na eh.
So, ito yung magic ice crazer.
Let's say hold this, please.
Yoo-hoo?
It's like chocolate.
Like, can you push it down for like deep? Yan. Good job.
Sa July, halo-halo naman. Next camping.
Oh, yan. Halo-halo.
Magdala tayo ng AC natin.
Oo, tita, yun talaga kailangan na AC.
Mainitan
We got
yun.
AC now. We got AC. Itong batang siga.
Banana kong yellow.
Akala ko tulog siya. No, she's awake.
Where did you sleep?
Give me a kiss.
Kaka-chanko nito.
Nag-iuchi na naman.
That's another one.
That's the last one.
Pinaparo-paro ka? What happened, Ja?
$5 ba yun?
What happened, Jack?
Yeah, $5.
You fool?
No!
Go.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! Ang sarap ng aming ihaw.
Mahal!
Galing.
Yung mga paa.
Luto na!
Luto na. Lapa.
Sarap ng aming ihaw. Wala tayong pang ano pala, pahid no, kapatid.
May brush ako doon.
Andy rice ba yan?
Wow. Chicken inasal a la Kim. They're gonna do, what are you gonna do, buddy? S'mores. Wow, s'mores. There you go.
Where is my chair?
Someone's excited, oh, here, the little kid.
Go get your chair. Go get your chair.
Oh, the little kid here.
Chair, your own chair. Everyone has their own chair. Go get your own chair.
The little kid is excited. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Dali mo! Tapos ipatong mo na agad.
Hotdog.
Yan na. Yan. Kaya masarap oh. Bakit gano'n?
Yum.
Mika, it's hot.
Good morning! It's our last day here at the camp. So we're just gonna cleaning up a little bit so later we could just relax, hang out without thinking about our stuff. So we're just trying to put him in the car. Sleeping bag. We're all set. Good morning!